Hello and welcome back. Today I'm excited to show you a brand new feature in SongForge MCP that completely transforms how you produce audio. We now have the ability to automatically split AI-generated music into individual stem tracks, giving you the exact same separation power as platforms like Suno, but running 100% locally and completely free on your own computer. By combining SongForge MCP with my Reaper MCP server, you get total creative control over your mix. As always, you can find the download links to both GitHub repositories right down in the video description. To kick things off, let's talk about generation. It's important to note that A-Step 1.5 is doing all the heavy audio processing here, generating tracks tailored to your exact genre, style, and tonal flavor. If you want to capture a specific vocal vibe or instrumental energy, you can feed a YouTube reference link into the workflow. A-Step 1.5 analyzes that reference audio to guide the overall sound and vocal texture, giving you a customized starting point that fits your creative vision. Once your track is generated, here's where the real power comes in. You can simply ask the AI to separate the full mix into individual stems, such as vocals, drums, bass, and melody. Because the AI is running complex separation models locally on your system, this step can take a little bit of time depending on your hardware, so be patient while it processes. Once the stems are ready, you don't even have to import them manually. Just ask the AI to build a brand new Reaper project for you. It will instantly organize all your split stems alongside the original reference track onto neatly labeled channels inside Reaper.
I was just a kid with wide open eyes, chasing down the sun before it touched the skyline. Running from a version of myself.
Having your stems isolated inside Reaper opens up infinite possibilities. You aren't stuck with what the AI gives you. You can pick and choose which stems you want to keep, replace a synth stem with your own favorite VST instruments, or convert audio lines into MIDI so you can tweak the performance note by note. This bridges the gap between AI generation and real music production, allowing you to add your unique signature sound to every mix. When you're ready to polish your track, you can instruct the AI to handle the mixing and mastering process based on your specific genre. The system will execute an automated FX pipeline inside Reaper, utilizing your installed library of third-party VST plugins or falling back on Reaper's robust stock plugins. It automatically applies proper dynamic EQ, compression, and limiting to make your track sound clean, punchy, and radio ready. This combination of A-Step 1.5, SongForge, and Reaper gives you full professional-grade control over AI music production without subscription fees or cloud restrictions. If you found this tool useful, please head over to my GitHub repositories and give them a star. It really helps support future development. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI production tutorials, and drop a comment below letting me know what features you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy producing.